Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water and I think of all the things what you're doing. And in my head I paint a picture. Well, since I come home, well, my body's been a mess and I miss your tender hair and the way you like the dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Did you have to go to jail? But your house up for sale. Did you get a good lawyer? Hope you didn't catch a